I've been counting down the days for this. Today, I'm taking the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser V8 for a spin. This isn't just an SUV. It's a masterpiece of power and luxury. Stick with me because there's one hidden feature I'll reveal that will blow your mind. Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into one of the most iconic SUVs ever built, the Toyota Land Cruiser V8. Whether you're a fan of its rugged off-road capabilities or its luxurious city vibes, this car has something for everyone. From its bold exterior to its plush interior and roaring engine, I'll walk you through all the details. And here's a challenge for you. What's your dream road trip destination in a Land Cruiser? Let me know in the comments. Let's start with the exterior. The Land Cruiser's design is the perfect blend of ruggedness and elegance. Those bold lines and robust build are unmistakable. The adaptive LED headlamps, they're not just sleek, they adjust automatically to give you the best visibility in any driving condition. The alloy wheels, they're engineered to dominate both city roads and off-road trails. Fun fact, the aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, giving you a smoother ride and better fuel efficiency. Stepping inside feels like entering a five-star lounge. The leather seats and real wood accents exude sophistication, while the spacious cabin offers unmatched comfort. Under the hood lies a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 diesel engine, delivering 265 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling tough terrains, this SUV is unstoppable. The multi-terrain select system is a game-changer. Sand, mud, snow, you name it, the Land Cruiser adjusts for the smoothest ride possible. Imagine conquering the Sahara one day and navigating snowy mountains the next. Where would you take your Land Cruiser? I'd love to know. Drop your answer below. The Toyota Land Cruiser V8 isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. From its striking design to its roaring performance and luxurious interior, it's built to impress. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more legendary car content. Which feature of the Land Cruiser wowed you the most? Let's talk about it in the comments. Until next time, happy driving.